Welcome to this explanation. Let's explore why saving money feels unnaturally hard, even for really smart people. You know the drill. You set a goal, but 2 weeks later, poof, the money's completely gone. Stop blaming your lack of willpower. Honestly, your brain just wasn't built to save cash. $100 today or more next month. Studies show we almost always grab the cash today. This is present bias in action. Waiting is mathematically better, but our brains crave immediate rewards. It's a literal battle. Your ancient limbic system wants instant gratification, fighting your logical prefrontal cortex. During an impulse buy, the limbic system totally wins, hijacking the exact pathways our ancestors used to survive. Here's the wild part. Your brain hits you with a dopamine rush the exact second you click buy. And companies know this. The modern economy is literally built to exploit this evolutionary glitch in our brains. So, how do we outsmart our own biology? Sheer willpower won't beat evolution, so we need tactical hacks. Let's look at 3 science-backed rules to redesign your environment and stop that spending cycle cold. Rule 1, make saving invisible. Automate your transfers the very day you get paid before you look. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. This totally starves your limbic system of temptation. Rule 2, add friction. Delete all those saved credit cards from your favorite shopping apps right now. Also, try the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 full days before making any big, non-essential purchases. Why? This friction slows down your impulsive limbic system just long enough for logic to finally catch up. Rule 3, give your future self a face. We save way more when we picture our future selves. Name your goals. A dream trip fund feels way more real and fights off that instant gratification. Listen, you were never bad with money. You were just fighting a brain built for a different era. So, what's your freedom fund going to be? How will you outsmart your brain today?
Hit subscribe, drop a comment with your thoughts. See you in the next one.